Let's talk about a picnic. A picnic is a meal you eat outside. People go to a park, an open field, or a garden for a picnic. It is a good way to spend time with family and friends. You prepare the food at home before you go. You pack sandwiches, fruit, snacks, and drinks into a basket. You look for a good spot to sit. A spot under a big tree has shade and feels cool. You spread a blanket on the ground and sit on it. It's nicer to sit on a blanket. Sandwiches are a popular picnic food. You can put cheese, ham, or egg inside, and they are easy to carry. Fruits and snacks are good choices too. Some people bring cold drinks like juice, tea, or water. Everyone sits on the blanket and shares the food. It is a good feeling to eat outside on a nice day. Children run and play on the grass. Parents sit on the blanket nearby and watch. After eating, some people lie down and rest. A short nap on the blanket is very nice. Insects like picnics too. Some people use a fan or a spray to keep the bugs away. Spring picnics under the cherry blossoms are very popular. Many families and friends go out together. Before you leave, pick up all your rubbish. Take it with you and leave the park clean. A picnic is a fun and simple way to enjoy good food and fresh air outside.